Welcome to this 2025 guide on how to fund your Stripe account. Whether you're setting up your online business, preparing to accept payments, or simply exploring Stripe's financial tools, knowing how to add funds is essential. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the updated steps, explain your funding options, and make everything easy to follow, even if you're a beginner. Let's jump right in. First is log in to your Stripe account. In your dashboard, click the transaction. After clicking it, click the Create Payment and click Manual Payment. Next is enter the payment details, including the amount and the card number. After doing that, click Submit. And that's it. You now know how to fund your Stripe account in 2025 quickly and correctly. With your balance topped up, you're ready to manage payouts, cover fees, and keep your business running smoothly. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it or check out more of my tutorials for practical, up-to-date tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.